Welcome to date. I hope you have enjoyed with your inner child, and that was really a fun-filled activity. But today we are going towards little bit difficult emotion, and that emotion is forgiveness. I know it is very difficult to forgive, but we have to do it for our own spiritual growth. You don't need any other person to forgive. You have to just forgive someone in your own heart. You need not go to another person and say, I have forgiven you. It's not needed. So, what you are going to do today is first thing, make a list of all those people who you need to forgive. Start with one by one. And here, mirror is a greatest tool which is going to help you in this process. Go sit in front of mirror and be comfortable with yourself. Look deep into your eyes and now bring into your mind the person you want to forgive first. It can be you yourself. Rather, I will suggest that you start with yourself. Start forgiving yourself. Forgiveness is something you are going to release all the bitterness inside you. Bitterness is a poison you are consuming daily, and you are keeping yourself in that prison always. So, by forgiving, you are going to release the strings of the prison one by one. You are going to detoxify your own mind of all the bitterness, of all the poison of bitterness one by one. So, start with yourself. Forgive yourself for not forgiving till now. Now you are ready to forgive. And say whatever you want to say. If you feel angry, express that emotion. Express all those emotions in front of mirror and feel the release of that pent up anger inside you. Feel free, feel light after releasing all those negative emotions. Now bring in your mind the person you want to forgive. Look deep into the mirror, deep inside your eyes, and imagine as if the person is sitting in front of you in that mirror. Now you can say whatever you want to say. Now you can express all those emotions for that person. But ultimately, at the end, you are going to forgive. It may be possible to do this in one day, one single day, but you may take a few days or maybe months to forgive one particular person. And then you have so many people in that list. So this is like having an onion with so many peels. So one day you are going to take off one peel from that onion, and second day you will take another peel off from that onion. Do it anyway. Keep on doing this exercise in front of mirror, looking deep inside your eyes. Keep on forgiving one person at a time. Keep on forgiving and saying whatever you want to say first, and then literally forgiving him, or maybe just putting that person out of your mind. If you want to take help of a journal, take the help of journal. Recite all those affirmations which are there for the forgiveness. Make your own affirmations to forgive one particular person in that particular situation. But get rid of this very, very burdensome emotion of not forgiving. And Once you do the forgiveness, you will feel light. You will feel happiness, contentment, and so many other positive emotions. And just by experiencing, this is not a theoretical course, this is all practical. You have to take one step at a time and do the practices. Really go deep inside your mind, feel the emotions, and release all those emotions. And slowly you will enjoy this process. You will start reconnecting with your own mind, with your own soul. And believe in me, one day nothing is going to stop you. You are going to be all joy, happiness, creativity, and whatever you wanted. You are going to live the life you love, the life you wish to love, you wish to live. Thank you. I have done it. I am a testimonial to all these processes, and it doesn't take much time. Few months of practice is enough to do this, and you have already started. And I wish you all the best. Enjoy today's activity. Do it even if you don't enjoy it. And I'll see you tomorrow in day 9. Thank you so much. And thank you for forgiving me for all my mistakes. And I have forgiven all of you for not doing the homework in time. Thank you.